In a world filled with negativity and division, a heartwarming story emerged from the heart of the United States, captivating the nation and spreading like wildfire across social media platforms. It all started in a small town called Oakville, located in the heartland of America. The town had been hit hard by economic struggles, leaving many families struggling to make ends meet. Unemployment rates were high, and hope seemed distant for many residents. One gloomy morning, as rain poured down relentlessly, a mysterious stranger arrived in Oakville. He was a middle-aged man, dressed humbly in worn-out clothes, carrying nothing but a small backpack. With a warm smile on his face, he walked through the town, leaving a trail of curious glances in his wake. The stranger's first stop was the local diner, where he ordered a simple cup of coffee. As he sipped it slowly, he noticed the elderly couple sitting across from him. Their tired faces spoke volumes of the hardships they had endured. The man quietly called the waitress over and handed her a note, instructing her to give the couple a generous amount of cash to cover their meal. Word quickly spread about the stranger's random act of kindness, and the town's residents were intrigued. People began whispering about the mysterious man with a heart of gold. News of his generosity reached the local newspaper, and soon the story became a sensation. Inspired by the stranger's act, the residents of Oakville decided to pay it forward. They organized community events, fundraisers, and food drives to help those in need. Families opened their doors to neighbors, offering shelter and support. Local businesses rallied together, offering discounts and job opportunities to struggling individuals. The sense of unity was palpable, and the town began to experience a resurgence of hope. As news of Oakville's transformation spread across social media platforms, people from all corners of the United States became captivated by the story. Inspired by the actions of the small town, individuals and communities across the nation started their own acts of kindness. The hashtag #SpreadHopeUSA began trending, with people sharing their stories of compassion and goodwill. From New York City to Los Angeles, from small rural communities to bustling metropolises, Americans embraced the spirit of generosity. Strangers paid for each other's groceries, teachers donated school supplies, and volunteers offered their time and skills to uplift their communities. The viral story of Oakville ignited a national movement of kindness and compassion, reminding everyone that a small act of goodwill can have a profound impact. Months passed, and the stranger who had sparked this incredible wave of kindness in Oakville remained a mystery. Some speculated that he was an angel sent to restore faith in humanity, while others believed he was a humble traveler passing through. But his true identity didn't matter. What mattered was the lasting impact he had on the people he encountered and the ripple effect of kindness that he had set in motion. The story of Oakville and the stranger's act of kindness became an enduring symbol of hope for the entire nation. It reminded Americans of their collective strength and their ability to make a positive difference in the lives of others. It served as a reminder that in a world filled with challenges and uncertainties, acts of kindness can unite us all and create a brighter future. And so, the viral story of Oakville and the mysterious stranger will forever be etched in the hearts of Americans, inspiring generations to come to spread hope, love, and compassion across the USA and beyond.